In this video, let's talk about why do you need to install the Land Rover wheel spacers with Hub-Centric.
Land Rover wheel spacers are a common modification for car mode lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their Land Rover. The Land Rover wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. We recommend installing Land Rover wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Land Rover wheel spacers can change the wheels offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Land Rover wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Land Rover wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Land Rover Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the Land Rover spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and strength than if it sits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacer is usually more expensive than Hub-Centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, BONOSS FT cooling Land Rover wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. Here's a more notches that are distributed on the corner of the Land Rover wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So, if you are considering installing Land Rover wheel spacers for a vehicle, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.